I'm showing you doodles. First I'm gonna draw emojis. You can also try it. In case of doodle, you don't need to draw an appropriate thing like you have to do the exact thing. It's not like that. You can do any kind of things anywhere with any medium. That is doodle. You just need to imagine and then draw. Whatever you do, whatever you draw is a doodle. It doesn't need to be perfect, just you just draw it. Here I'm gonna draw some faces, some expressions. That's why I'm just putting some color. If you love my videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and all. You can also visit my Instagram for more art. I have for the Instagram, I have left the link of my Instagram on my in my description box. If you want, then you can check that out. When I was drawing doodle, I was not thinking that what I'm gonna draw, or what is it, and how it will look. I just did it. I just uh, drew it, and I'm now putting just eyes and mouth, trying to draw expression. I didn't think about it that what I'm gonna draw and how it will look. I'm just doing. If you want, then you can also try this, something like this. These are all looking like emojis. Doodle is something simple but with creativity. It can be simple, sometimes it can be tough, but doodle is something you can draw anywhere with any medium, and it can be anything, and it's your creativity, it's totally your own. If you want, then you can also try doodles, because these are really amazing. It feels good to draw doodles. It's just that you have to think beyond of your limit. You need to think something new, but you have to think something fast, new and something fast. It's almost done. It was fun to draw doodles. I really enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.